Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, comment and share. And of course, please subscribe to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials. So guys, I have here a project which is a candle decorated with butterflies, with flowers, and here decorated with artificial flowers. This artificial flowers is from the flower base. This is just artificial plastic flowers, okay? Then this base, this one, saucer, white saucer, cup saucer, I just covered it with the net from the lemon. Look at this. So I just covered it like this, and on the back side I just twist it because this is just a disposable. Just covered it with the net and put it here. Okay, and this candle is fixed with, decorated with the flowers from the magazine. I just cut out from the magazine with the use of the scissor, and this colorful butterflies I just cut out from the tissue paper, and I I colored it with the use of different markers here. Look at this. Okay, the green I retouch it with green so that it will look more darker, and the blue I use it this one, and the pink color I'm using this one. So this is how it looks like now, the transformation of ordinary candle decorated with recycled materials. So if you like this tutorial guys, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. And look at the eyes of the butterflies. I just cut out with some crystals, this one, and I just fix it into flower, and here the butterflies serve as the eyes of the butterflies. Okay, so this is my simple project, a candle for the spring season. So this is my project for the spring season. Okay, and look at this. This is just a very simple table centerpiece for the spring season. And the butterflies I take out from this